Now see here, we have to write the tuples of a DFA, that is the M dash is equal to Q. Okay. Now here we can write the Q dash because there are new states. The old states are Q0, Q1, Q2. Okay. After converting NFA to DFA, we can get the new states. So here we can use the dash. Then summation Q0, that is initial state, will remain constant. So here we can write Q0, Q summation Q0, delta dash. Okay. Delta dash. Okay. See here, Q summation delta dash Q0 and F. Okay. Here we can use the F dash because here F final in the original or given NFA final state will be Q2, but in DFA the final state will become Q0, Q1, Q2, set of Q0, Q1, Q2. That's why here we can use the F dash, where Q dash will be set of Q0, comma Q0, Q1 and Q2. Okay. Then summation A comma B. Now see here, delta dash is already calculated. Then Q0 will be Q0 and final state, that is F dash, is equal to what? Q0, Q1 and Q2. Okay, and this is the transition diagram. Okay, this all about is for 5 marks. Okay, thank you.